Hello! A lot of my friends have been asking to come along on some of the collaborations that I'm doing with different hotels, so I decided to vlog this. I have never vlogged anything before, so bear with me. It's kind of awkward for me. But I'm shooting at a hotel called Latitude 26 today. It's in Bonita Springs, Florida. It's a cute little boutique hotel, so it's smaller, and I want to take you along on the ride. So here's some shots of what the day looks like. First, let's start off with some shots at the hotel just to show you. It's right on the water and it's beautiful, and here's the little back deck. It's just your typical Florida coastal nautical style hotel. I know you're probably curious how I take my own pictures since I'm my own photographer and model. I use the self-timer feature on the Canon camera, and I wanted to walk you through exactly what this looks like and how I connect to my phone. So I go into the settings, and my Canon camera has this as a feature, and I can connect to my phone through Wi-Fi because the camera emits its own Wi-Fi signal. And then I'm able to connect and do the live viewing, so I can actually see and pose myself through the screen, and I prefer this even over having a photographer take my pictures because then I can properly pose myself. So the self-timer goes off, you can see it in the corner. The camera also has an audible beep, so I know how long I have before the pictures are getting taken. And then I get pictures like this. So obviously the pool, exact same thing. It's a little bit more difficult because I'm in the water. Peep the camera if you didn't see it. And when the timer goes off, it does a burst of 10 pictures. So I pop up and pose during this time, and I get pictures like these. So I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial and behind the scenes of my photo shoots, and I plan to take you guys along with me on the next ones. So I hope you enjoyed.